Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to make international payments with your debit card in 2025. With the world more connected than ever, whether you're shopping online from another country or paying for a meal abroad, your debit card can be a game changer, if you know the ropes. Let's dive right in. First things first, not all debit cards are set up for international use. Start by checking with your bank. In 2025, most major banks have upgraded their apps with AI-driven tools, so log in and look for the International Settings option. You'll probably need to verify your identity with a quick fingerprint or facial scan for security. Step 1. Enable international transactions. This is crucial to avoid any surprises, like declined payments. Once enabled, your card will handle foreign currencies automatically, but always double-check the exchange rates. Apps now show real-time updates to help you avoid hidden fees. Step 2. When making a payment, prioritize security. For online purchases, use a secure website with HTTPS and consider a VPN to protect your data. If you're paying in person, go for contactless options, which are lightning fast and widely available in 2025 thanks to advanced chip technology. Step 3. Keep an eye on costs. International payments often come with fees, so compare your bank's rates or look into cards that offer zero foreign transaction fees. Also, set up transaction alerts on your app to monitor your account in real time. It's a must for preventing fraud in today's digital world. A quick tip. If you're traveling, notify your bank ahead of time to prevent any holds on your card. And remember, always use reputable merchants to minimize risks. Wrapping this up, making international payments with your debit card in 2025 is easier than ever, but staying informed is key. Give this video a like if it helped, and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.